Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by gathering rails, powered rails, redstone torches, or a lever, a minecart, and building blocks. Once done, clear and level the route. Make sure the ground is even so rails lay flat. Now mark both endpoints and build a small scaffold where the track will rise or curve. Begin laying normal rails from one end. Place powered rails every so often to maintain speed. This first stretch sets alignment and grade. Do it carefully so later steps are straightforward. Once you have a baseline, focus on power and terrain. Place powered rails roughly every 30 to 40 blocks and activate them with redstone torches or a lever. This keeps your cart moving. If you encounter hills, use slabs or stairs to make gentle slopes. For valleys, build bridges, and for mountains, carve tunnels with a 3x2 clearance so carts don't clip blocks. Also add detector rails at stops and redstone repeaters for long power runs. These details manage speed and automation. You finish by testing. Run an empty minecart, then one with cargo or a passenger to identify weak spots. If the cart stalls, add more powered rails or shift redstone repeaters closer. Make sure powered rails are properly powered. Once smooth, secure the line with fences, torches for mobs, and station signs. One key troubleshooting tip: if carts lose power after chunks unload, place a chunk loader or build a short powered backup loop near the problem area so momentum is
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.